Sugar cane is sweet, but no one swallows it.
Hapo basi Willy. Adonai Damir Osademoy. How are you, my great blesser? I'm support also on the Bible. I don't know even the book again. Papa Billy. Papa Mazu the book again. I see Miguel. Miguel Sylvester. Miguel Baba. Yeah. How are you, Emirate Show? Advanced Exa. Aye. Arise also the vibe. Hi, my guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Nyatiti is one of the Western instruments from Western Kenya, Rehoboth. PSA Samia Nia Olazami Rehoboth Sami Hari Baba, I wake up in the morning, yeah. Ololo Sami, Hari Bodo Magajango, Hari Nari, 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 Nari. As anyway, guys. Ore Kore, Oya Kore, Oya Kore. Thank you all so much, my guys. Keep on watching. It's Kentmugenda, bwana. It's Maka. Don't move. 1 minute. 1 minute, oh man. 1 minute. Minute. Miguel from Zambia. From Mozambique, not Zambia. From Mozambique. Hussein, how are you? Just want something slow. I see triple A. Jose Master. Enokia. Romeo. Ya piño d'amore, ale piño d'amore. Romeo Babai. Have you seen Romeo? A long time, my brother. Amene minya yongi goza chungumana chamu chugamanyule. Ya amina yongo na ujumu. La pista. Teka. Aye. Baby anya. Baby anya. Have you seen baby anya? Baby anya buto maga. Teka. I see baby Anya also take also the vibe. You just keep on watching. I really appreciate your time. Baby Anya. Anya mama. Teka, how is Ethiopia? Ethiopia is very cool. No, I'm not from Ethiopia. No. I'm from Kenya. How are you been? Kentmugenda. How are you, sir? Kentmugenda. I see Kentmugenda also in the vibe. Kentmugenda. 1 minute, Kentmugenda. There's something I want to try to do here. One of the most very important things. Let's continue and like your music. Teka. Have you seen Kentmugenda? Good evening, Kentmugenda, my brother. I see baby Anya. Ayo, Kentmugenda. I could Have you seen Baby Anya? Ungena pinyota ye. Ayo, one Ianifa. Ianifa penopenda. Aye, Kinigunde. Aye, lele, Kunigunde. Ayo, Ihani, 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 Yawa. Ayo, Wololo, Kunigunde. Rayalalo, Ekinabi bene fundo makai. Ihani, Ihani, Ihani. Ayo, Aniyo. No. I'm still Jaluo. Lapsio. I'm fine. Lepsio Sandeva. Katum longo kuni kunde. Ayo. Ayi, Ihani, Ihani. Yani, Amin Kosola, Amin Yani, Mugenda Pinyotama, Chumoliamo, Wololo Magaya. Iani, can you dance? Iani, Lipsia, Iani one, Iani two, Kinigunde one, Iani three. Ayo, Niat your jamai. Ayo. Jatumelo na kunigunde. Kunigunde, you dancing now. Kunigunde. Ayo, Ihani. Let's continue the vibe, guys. One Ianifa also in the vibe. Natural instrument is our money. Where's money? Hey, then I don't know how to read that one. Well, let's continue the vibe, guys. Jaluo Uganda. Lispa. I'm Jaluo Kenya. Mimi ni mganga. Mganga wa music. Solomon. I see left side. Have you seen Queen Gwinde? Yanni Fausa de Vai. Celia. My Ayo, if I say you coming from to dance with me, and I tell you to sing after me. If I say stop to sing, clap your hands. Gracia. Sylvia, if I say you're gonna die. Suena ya luo. If I say yari badans, if I say you ain't that, Jago, if I say yari da, Casimo, Rutnya sama Casimori, the mama, Zuenaya, how are you, Zuan? Rutnya seme. Nyaseme, Casimori. Yo pinyo penyaga tuli. Yagal simori mamai. Cynthia. Yo pinyo penyaga tuli. Yakwayo kamadero. Yakwayo kamadero. Yakwarayo kamadero. Ayo. Walolo que no mayangolo. People ask me how be mamai. Ganzano kamadero. The granddaughter of Kamadero. Ayo, the granddaughter of Kamadero. Oh, Ruby. Ayo, oh, Ruby. Have you seen Ruby? Mama Yazeme. Aye, Yazmo Mabia. Well, no, Ruby, Mama. Ayo. Oh, choro. Ayo. Madero, choro. Ruto choro madero. Ayo. Ruto choro madero. Have you seen it all? Ruto choro madero. Ayo. Ya tiene choro nagadola. Madero mama. Madero Ruby. Ayo. Yamero nagadola toda kagaloka. Ayo. Toda kagaloka. Aye Madero. Ochoro Madero baba. Ha ha. Ni ala gonitu akuna matiti. Aye Madero. Silvio. Ruby, no ruto nyakawe, nyazeme nyakawe, oh Madero, oh choro, ruto mama mo beauty, she's a little, ayo, me ruto she's a little, aye mama, ngudu bairu, ruto Madero. Ayo choro mama. Ukimwona Ruby utadhani malkia. Thank you so much, guys. Ruth Madero, man. Hey, haweri nyate dako wadwa. Keep on watching, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. TNO, I see you. Thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. For those who are watching, you can. Yeah. If you're watching on YouTube, you can appreciate through PayPal or M-Pesa is there, 4720. Katumoro Mokori, you can do that. You can appreciate. You can only appreciate if you like. Rup mama. Nhiều năm là ngõ chăm cầu buồn. Nhiều na bump quen. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on watching my kentmugenda. I really appreciate. I see Sylvia also on the vibe. Nyakwar nga. Nyakwar nyakaj. Nyakwar nyakaj. Hey, hey. Celia Shabdala. Tony, America long time. America was on the vibe. I see Sylvie. Muziki Zendima. Nyatiti ataki madada. Milkot. Kamala naitaki madada. Bonita. Kamala naitaki madada. Sweet freedom also the vibe. Shabadala. I wanna jump with the Shabadala. I wanna jump with the Shabadala. Yeah, also the vibe. Tanya, yawa, Tanya. General. Milkatos on the bar. I wanna see you in my kio. Engineer Block. Nyatiti. Silly. Silly finger, silly. Milkatos on the bar. Manapinaga. 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 William Budia. Manapinaga. Okay, pinna. Adrian Njoroga so the Fred Kiel. I see my Giovanna. Kumadonjo amor, si amor. Si amor. Si amor, can you jump? Si amor, can you dance? Si amor, can you Can you Simon, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Simon is kentmugenda, guys. Thank you so much for clapping. Bwana, tunangomera. Ayo fine. Sawa bro. Guys, keep on watching my kentmugenda. I really appreciate your time, guys. These are more evening vibe. I'm playing traditional instrument called nyatiti, one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. If you like the vibe, guys, you can support through M-Pesa or PayPal. Yeah, anyone who is watching on YouTube or TikTok, my M-Pesa or PayPal phone number is there. If you like the vibe, yeah, if you like the vibe and you're willing to, I don't know who is calling now. Someone is. How can you flash me right now? Now I'm streaming. Okay, let's continue. See, Amon. Lawrence trust nobody, see amor. Trust nobody, Jacob. Trust nobody, see amor. When it comes to money, yeah. Trust nobody, trust nobody, I'm totally confused, Peter. Yeah. I'm totally confused, Amon. They preach to us, telling us man is evil, my brother. The same money we are finding just as a trust nobody, mama. Trust nobody when it comes to money, trust nobody, Amanda. Trust nobody, trust nobody, 666. Biali 666. Biali also the trust nobody, Baba. Trust nobody, trust nobody, I see you. Walala money, yeah. Walala money. I see. Walala Baba. Have you seen trust nobody, my brother. Yeah. Hey. 6 pack without money. It's like disability. Relationship is money. Relationship is money, my man. 6 pack without money, my brother. It's like disability. 6 pack without money, my brother. It's like disability. Kujenga bila pesa, kitshak. It's like disability. Relationship is money. Janka, relationship is money. Oh, Jacob, judges they need money. Government need money. Judges they need money. No. Everyone shake your body. I just been shake your body. One. Lee, where you? Shake your body. Shake your body. By Gaza. Gaza, shake your body. I'm looking for money. Hey, Long, Pascal also on the way. Johnny, long time ago. My grandfather told me something. When you chase money, you will never lose women. When you chase women, you will lose money. A song, my brother, please, eat up, please. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Kentmugenda. You have to clap for me. Someone with the lion, please. That one is miracle. Thank you so much. Someone with money gun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My name is Kentmugenda. You can subscribe on YouTube. Maka is MAKA space Mugenda. Just vibing with you with nyatiti. The instrument I play is called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low traditional instrument from western part of Kenya. Yeah, just enjoy the vibe. Kumalo. Kumalo. Also in the vibe. Let's continue now. Please, someone with a money gun. I'm begging for money gun. You know, today I didn't see money gun. Chief Moha. Also, you can appreciate through M-Pesa, guys. They are 0720. Mommy also on the vibe. 0720 159271 or PayPal if you're willing to. Sangria. Thank you so much, Kid Shack. Kid Shack here. I see there's a guy. Patra Motion. Angelo's on the vibe. This one is a happy song. I wanna jump. Ayo, Angela, Patromotion. Petromotion. Can you dance? You my foundation. Miss Lilios on the vibe. Johnny, we gonna dance. Hussein, Yakubo, Tuda. Can you dance? Bedroom motion. Angela Mama. Angela Mama. Angela Mama. I give you that. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. When you die. When you so Jamugoma. Magaye. Ayo. Suicide. Jamugoma. Magaye. I see suicide. Johnny Magaye. I see fire. Bedroomers, Mama G, Mama G, are you ready? Bingo on the bike, Kid Shack on the bike. We gonna dance, it doesn't matter where you are. We gonna dance, nyatiti, nyatiti to the world, stay on the world. Hey, hey, Susa. Aye, 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 aye. Then Mama ji, manonya gombara kudu. Hello, manonya gombara kudu. You have to clap, guys. If you don't, if you are not enjoying Moonlight, also the vibe. If you are not enjoying, guys, you have a problem. Please clap for me, guys. If you like the vibe, guys, you can support the vibe through M-Pesa or through PayPal or M-Pesa. Or on YouTube, guys. My name is Kentmugenda. M-Pesa number is there. Or 720 if you like the vibe, guys. Hey, how are you? How are you? Zawadi. My name is Kentmugenda, Baba. Olubo quite also in the vibe, guys. These are traditional vibe. Asha. Yeah. I see it so. Only seen along a marathon. Yeah. Only seen a jungle mile. Yo so, yo so, ya kongu biya kongo bimu Zambia, Polizina, yo yelele. Regina Tieno, Adieno Jamboma, Adieno Jamboma, Adieno Mama, Adieno Yama, Champuma Man, oh Joji, Mato, Wana Joji, Abisin, Holizina, Joji, yeah, Aquasi. When no baba, holy Zina, hey, Chama, a Georgie dance, money darling, yeah, Jungle vibe, Corina Pima, have you seen Corina? Yeah, Corina, Jambalina. Corina Yawa, evolving also the bar. Corina Yawa, I wanna vibe with the Corina. I wanna, that lady with the white trouser. Hey, I think she's a Corina. The mind. I see the point, my guy. My brother from Russia. Yeah, long Corina. Evolving. Gotcha. That lady with the white trouser. Hey! That lady with the white trouser. I come along from the jungle. Hey, the mama. Hooey! Obanyo Atima. Thank you so much, my guys. My name is Kentmugenda bwana. Mimi hapana matesa. The Voida Jandere. Ngolo meet wood mama of mate. Ronald, thank you so much. I see Bello. My guy. The Voida from Ayomera. Aye! Let's continue the vibe. Cindy, long time ago. I've not seen you. I've not seen you. I've not seen you. I sing your one. Kimo. Ben. Tasha's on the bar. Hello. I'm my best Cindy. Hello, Cindy, mama. Yeah. I believe. Have you seen Cindy? Kaito. Yeah, Cindy, mama. Rita Uma. Cindy. Have you seen Cindy? Beauty Cindy. Ayo. Big son, baby. Bendi vinyo makani. Jungle, bye. Yeah. Ayo. Yawa doti mama. Cindy mo beauty. Walolo. Adundo mama. Have you seen Cindy? She's a little man. Mama Yando, the boy. Walolo Cindy ma. Yaberu mama. Yabin on this man. Hey. Davli silencer. Guys, you have to clap for me first of all. This kind of vibe is very expensive. I miss you too. Thanks so much. Jamming with always. This vibe is very expensive. You have to jam with. This is spiritual, bossa. Yeah, this instrument is being used to healing session in Luoland, my brother, and also in the morning session, guys. Thanks so much. My name is Kentmugenda. Long time. This is Adonai. How are you? I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. Yeah. So you have to clap. If you like the vibe, you can clap. Also, you can appreciate through PayPal. You can appreciate through M-Pesa. It will depend how you like the vibe. M-Pesa number is there for those who are in Kenya. Is 0720. General, love it. Thank you so much. Let's continue the vibe. Also, if you have a gift, someone can kill me with a lion, bro. I miss lion. I don't know when did I see lion last. Yeah, let's continue the vibe. Mojina Jandre, I see Jandre. Jandrea. Give me the lion, evolving. I know you can do it. Munjino survive. I see no being of survive. Simon. Jojo. Can't you be like Changa? Have you seen a lady drinking a lot of alcohol in the village? Ya tango que lo vivo. Ay, you can you will chana. Ya wano mama. Ay, jade. Ya mano mama. I see my brother. Nayara chamodo. Good guy. I've seen no guy, mama. I see Ella. Let me sing to this beautiful lady by the name Ella. I know it's a beautiful lady. You know what I was told is just to see to make ladies happy. Ella, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this, Ella? Before we end the vibe, let me do something special to Ella. Hey! Samuel choosing also. If you like, your mama, where are you watching from, Ella? Are you? Ella? Have you seen the D? Hey! Ella. Ella. Didio. Ella. Have you seen Ella? Have you seen Ella? Have you seen Ella? Ella. I wanna sing to Ella. They vibe from Django vibe. Hey, Django vibe. Aye, Django vibe. Javer mama Ella. Don't do your mama. Don't do your mama. Ella. Ella does mama. Aye, Ella. Ella mayo. Aya, Ella numberdi, Ella gordi. Can you dance with the beat? Can you shake your bamba? Can you shake your bamba? I'm ready to give you a vibe. I come from jungle, jungle vibe with nyatiti. When I'm singing to Ella, have you seen the beat? Don't love Cinderella, Ella, yeah. Hello, Dory. I am a Ella. I am a Can you jump with Ella? Ayo, Jumbo. Ella, yeah. Goodbye, Ella. Goodbye, dear mama. Where are you? Ayo! Ciao, Tumomera. Ciao, Tumomera. Thank you so much. I don't know, Ella, where are you from? And I see Chamtum. Ella know how to. Ella, where are you from? Time and date side. Yeah, here is, I don't know, time and date side. Yeah, here is, I don't know it. Pretty, I don't know the date. I know the time. The time is 1824 in Kenya. Okay, let's continue the vibe. I want to give you something very special. Before we continue, please, anyone who has a gun, please. Anyone who I wish. Anyone who has a gun, money gun, not a gun for shooting people. Love flow. Let me tell you something. Aye. Janela, Janela, Generala. Pretty Irene, have you seen love, love? Have you seen love, love? To me, sir, have you seen love, love? What's money? Pretty Irene, hey, Irene, have you seen love, love? Era me to do neko yawa. Jango era me to aye. Oh, oh, oh yeah yeah yeah. Ha ha. I am jamming. Yeah, Eliza, Mawere, mama gudorumba. Jango mo venya. Somi. Elanga no pinyo nagyo. Umero no naga. I see. Edgar. I see Edgar on the line. Merry Christmas. Aye, Otama Junior. Alicia, Merry Christmas. Alia, Merry Christmas. Ha ha. Yawa kumi vete di paro Christmas. I love you. Erache, ojendo, ojendo baba jama. Ha ha. Jambo. Kalunde. Aye, I'm wishing you happy Merry Christmas. Hey, and happy New Year. It's the correct. Yeah. Aye, love flow. Yeah, love flows and the vibe. Thank you so much, everyone who's watching. My name is Kentmugenda, Jacob. Let me tell you something. You know that one. I been on mirrors on the town. Yeah, Odongo. Baba. Yeah, Anima Odongo. Anima Odongo. Ngaji. Opo. Someone is waving to me, but I can't deny the waving of man. The waving say soon. Guys, this is the last song, guys. I'm giving you. I have to leave because of time. Now it's getting. Did you gain weight? No. Why do you say so, bro? Which country? I'm from Kenya. Aye, Dipsy. Aye, by Geno Cinema. Aye, Marie. Openyane kenino kenot. Yeah. Bye. Dipsy. Ero Jambo Biden. Ayudanze. Ayuda. Hey. Are Jambo. Ale. Jambo. Ah. Ero Jambo. Ale. Jambo. Ayudanze. Ayudame. Ayudame. Zia. Oh. No. Yeah. Now house. Yeah. Hello. Ayo Biden home from home, kazi mzuri Biden bwana. Hata ninimlie kasoda mwanangu bwana. Rafiki Biden, wacha sasa nikuimbe vizuri. Ayo Omera, I see something here. Omera. Is this one? Hey Omera. From thank you so much. I don't know how to say this. Thank you so much. Biden. Asante sana bwana. Biden bwana, hebu nitumie kitu Omera. Thank you so much. Oh, that guy was watching. Thank you so much. I received that one. But Biden yawa. Ayawa. Biden. Are you still there? Joy Khan. Thank you so much, Sarah. Yeah. Thank you so much. I received a lot of that. Also the Hello Nina. Ayo. Akisijajua. Asante sana mama. Ayo. Have you seen Biden one love Nagaloka? Sara Jamgoma. Thank you so much, Sarah. Dina Jomgure Sarah. Sarah Ayo. Sarah Why is Biden also the one? He's watching from Americano. Dipsy, forget about my hey, Yawakinene, Dipsy, Yakinene ma. Ayo, how you get phone? Verify what I sang. Take my number. If you wanna call me, take my number. Verified. Maka, where is this big baobab? This is Indiani. Diani as usual. You know this is how it happened in Diani. This is how it happened in Diani. Lacan, one love ghosts in the vibe. Let's continue the vibe. I'm baby, my cocorico. I'm fine, very fine. Ayo. Have you seen that tree? Have you seen that tree? It's like crocodile. Come baby girl, come baby girl. Ayo, Sara Zara, umbe Sara ni dipsy. Ayo, Sara oh Sara, ulango masara. Fabrica, come baby girl. Ayo, daru, ayo, baby girl. King Hilton, come baby girl, come baby girl, come baby. Ayo, Sara Zara, ukimwona Zara, Sara Zara, ame ayo, ameumbwa sana, adiwo, ameumbwa sana, ndanda yako, alirudi Kisumu, ayo, shine. Come baby girl, come baby, ayo, come baby girl, my son, I don't wanna talk too much, sorry. Nyatiti dance is a kaya dance, Uncle P. Nyatiti dance is a kaya dance. Shake your body, shake your body, shake your shoulder. Thank you so much, guys. You know I'm in the jungle, watching from jungle, bro. Have a nice time, my guys. Yeah, she's a Kisumu waiting for Christmas. Bye for now. Thank you so much. May God bless you, everyone. Watch the vibe. My name is Kentmugenda. Goodbye. Yeah. Until tomorrow, my guy, my time is now over. Thank you so much, my guys. I have to leave. Subscribe on YouTube, guys. My name is Kentmugenda. That's the end of my streaming today. I much appreciate, guys, for those who watch. The vibe is Maka is MAKA space Mugenda. Until tomorrow morning, guys. Take care. My guys, I have to go to fresh my hey. You know, that's a serious vibe. You must sweat, my brother. That's one of the serious vibe I gave you today, guys. Thanks so much. My name is Kentmugenda. Subscribe on YouTube. Maka is MAKA space Mugenda. I play traditional instrument called nyatiti. If you want to appreciate something small, thank you so much, Sarah, for your appreciation. I receive a lot of thanks. May God bless you. My phone number is there, 0720 15 9271, 0720 15 9271. In case you want to appreciate through PayPal, you are in diaspora, Somera, the number is there. The PayPal is there. You can just inbox me and I'll check. I'll give you the PayPal. I'll send you my account, my email address, Omera. Hey, thank you so much, my guys. Until tomorrow, my name is Kentmugenda. That's now. Time is some people now. We have to relax, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. Until tomorrow is Maka. Love you so much. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Watch, please. Kentmugenda. Have a nice time. That's the end of it. Have a nice time. Thank you. Maka goreka noma. Maka seka goreka noma kanyama dichom. Maka tibuenge.
Sugar cane is sweet, but no one swallows it. There are some people you must spit out of your life. matter how much you like them. The snake in the grass is less dangerous than the envy in a friend's heart. Beware of silent danger. Always choose a person that gives you respect.
Iwinjo ko wacho nango baba. Injili wacho nade? Injili wacho niya nango. Guys, I wanna take you along. Rahel, hey, how are you? Nisamadano pango ni marach. Ruto pango mayum. Kanyego pango nito. Ruto pango masidi. Na nakapodangi mepenyika ukawitu genuna. Awai kionati mate kumbe dura bida kanyabwa. Katiti yo mande kiononani. Guys, I want to take you along just for a few seconds, guys, before we leave the live streaming. And I really appreciate your time. My name is Kentmugenda. I'll be just streaming with you along. Maka is M-A-K-A Mugenda. See how beautiful is the beach, guys. Yeah, as I say, my name is Kentmugenda. I'll be taking you along the beach. See how beautiful is the beach, guys, before leaving the streaming. Yeah, username is Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. This is one of the very special evening vibe along the beach. I'll be taking you up to in the beach, guys. Just keep on nanning, Omera. Salam alaikum. Alaikum Nasilim. Niambie baba. Mambo poa kabisa. Bwana. Man from the jungle te bana kitem gimitem bana. Teko na ngeng san maraj. Teko na ngeng maraj. Rais ni aje. Umepotea hata uonekani bwana.
Bwana nalishwa tu nafanya ngapi safari kitambi tu hivi.
Maana ino kagini sani bwana. Okay, wewe gini 1 month negi magini dua timoni nek inge kadu ketek. Ka golelwe. Ibro ngeni karaki. Kitambi kenu wadu.
Mimi inanisumbua kichwa hiki kidogo kitoa inanisumbua kichwa.
Bwana,
imagine ndio kubwa.
Bwana. Ini kwa gato ana goro la pile. 100 pile. Lakini hapo nyuma kidogo yana dua interfere ki diet siku mbili. Madam notedo chapati to ger nyaka cham. Otedo chapati to ger ma paro manan.
Ano uko umeka kabisa uitaki kabisa.
Bro, mimi niliachana na gine hata usima wa siku. One God.
I need that discipline.
Kata kuno kachamga.
I need that discipline.
Okachamga kata kuno bwana. Kanyi siti nyalo paro manan ngane wale.
So ni eggs tu.
Egg na nini na nyama. Kuku. Rice wasikuli.
Totally no carbs.
Sikuli. Gima kachamo.
I tried, mimi nilikuwa natembea mguu na kutemeka bwana.
Mimi nimejaribu. Mimi wasikuli. Mimi nakula tu rabuon. Hiyo nini rabuon ya nini? Viazi tamu. Na mayai na nini? Apote. Unajua apote? Hiyo. Sasa hiyo ndio wala nini?
Bado kwa side.
Wao wewe jao nataka tu. Jamani yani yana huko kwa yao. Makoro majoki to bei migoli boat ride.
Mimi hata ni wai ule jamaa.
Okay.
Pande kwa kabla jenziwa ni jenziwa.
Sawa.
Ile design yako. Ile ni
guys, just keep on watching. Guys, just keep on watching my Smaka Mugenda. That's a very special live streaming. I'll be giving a vibe after vibe, and this is how the ocean is. This is a very special evening vibe, guys. Keep on watching my Smaka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time. Just keep on watching, and also put down your comment in case you have any question, guys, to ask. You can just put down your comments. I really appreciate your time. My name is Maka. Maka is MKS Mugenda. Just keep on watching. It's a very special vibe. Yeah, along the beach. This is how beach is. Still, there's a lot of people, guys, streaming in the vibe. So just keep on watching. My name is Maka. Maka is MKS Mugenda. Much appreciate your time. Guys, just keep on watching. Keep on watching. There's a lot of people just enjoying their time. This is one of the very special life. Yeah. Just catch up with. Yeah. Have a nice time. My name is Maka Mugenda. I have now to leave the vibe because my time is now getting late. I have to leave change. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi bro. Have a YouTube channel, subscribe, Maka Mugenda. Hey hell.